If you're carrying debt and looking for a way to pay it off faster and with less interest, you're not alone. One option that might help is a balance transfer credit card. Hi, I'm Becca Borowski-Jenkins, a credit card expert at FinanceBuzz. In this video, I'm going to explain how balance transfers work, what to watch out for, and how to use them to take control of your credit card debt. A balance transfer is when you move debt from one account, usually a high-interest credit card, to another card that offers a low or 0% introductory APR. That means for a limited time, you could stop paying interest on that balance and focus on paying down what you actually owe. Some cards let you transfer other types of debt too, but each issuer will have its own rules. So always double check what kinds of balances are eligible. Applying is just like getting any other credit card. You'll need to provide your basic info, income, and sometimes the details of the debts you want to transfer. Once you're approved, the card issuer will either handle the payment directly or give you the tools to do it yourself. Then your transfer balance shows up on your new card with no interest for the full intro period. This is where balance transfers can really help. Many of the best cards offer 0% intro APRs for 12, 15, or even 18 months. That means every dollar you pay during that time goes toward debt, not toward interest. Even if your card doesn't offer 0%, some have low interest rates, like 2% or 3%, which can still help you get ahead. Let's say you have $5,000 in credit card debt at a 17% APR. If you make a typical payment of around $120 a month, you'll barely make a dent after 18 months. Most of that money is going toward interest. But if you transfer that same $5,000 to a card with a 0% intro APR, and you keep making that same payment, you could knock off more than $2,000 of your debt in that same time, and you would save over $1,000 in interest. Most cards charge a fee to move your balance, usually 3 to 5%. So if you transfer $5,000, expect a fee of around $150 to $250. It's a one-time fee and it's added to your balance. It's something to definitely factor into your decision, but even with the fee, the savings can still be worth it. How much you can transfer depends on your credit limit and also the card's terms. Some issuers let you transfer up to your full credit limit, minus the fees, while others cap how much you can move. If you have a high credit score, it might unlock higher limits, but even if you can't move all your debt, moving a chunk of it can still save you money. Here's a few smart moves if you're thinking about doing a balance transfer. Know your credit score. That'll affect which cards you might qualify for. Compare cards for the best intro APR, how long that period lasts, and what the fees are. Don't use the new card for new spending. Set reminders for when the intro period ends so you're not caught off guard when that regular APR starts. Make sure you pay at least the minimum payment each month. If you have credit card debt and you're ready to make real progress, a balance transfer could be one of the smartest tools out there. Just have a plan, be realistic about your budget, and take advantage of that interest-free time.